That's what happens when you wear medium, bud.
All right, let's look at the radar. We've got rain along the coastline, the rain out into Sebago too, and I was getting some reports that even in the foothills here we were seeing initially mostly rain. Now we widen the picture out, warm front stretching all the way back to Michigan, and then we've got the cold front back here. So this is all going to move through tonight. We've only got a few more hours left to try to cool things down at the surface. We're starting to do that in Freiburg at 35, 37 in Augusta. It was all low 40s earlier today. And so southern coastal Maine will stay all rain, but some of us will be able to get back into snow in Freiburg and Lewiston and Augusta. And I think it will be snow into down east Maine initially tonight. And through a decent part of the evening, it stays snow. Bar Harbor, especially Washington, Hancock counties here, into Bangor as well, where rain along the coast and that rain snow line gets back into Lewiston and Augusta here about midnight tonight. Probably just about changing over to rain in Bangor at that point, and then this whole system is out of here by early tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, as we've talked about here, looks pretty mild. I think this model is too cool. I think we'll see some low 50s here from Wiscasset to Sanford, Portsmouth, and into Portland as well. It'll stay cooler across northern Maine. Really, the only spot to hang on to all snow is going to be up from Millinocket to Caribou. And then Saturday is a mixture of sun and clouds into the mid-30s, and Sunday looks really nice with a lot of sunshine, temperatures popping into the low 40s. So we've got a good-looking weekend to come after this system moves through. So the only change I made was I took this 1 to 3 earlier today and I dragged it to down east Maine, just because I think the way the front is oriented, they'll be able to get snow even though they're along the coastline, eventually changing over to rain. 3 to 6 inches, that'll be the mountain situation. I was looking at the web cameras out in Bethel, for example, and Carabasset Valley, and it looked like it was snowing, especially in Bethel, so they'll be able to get a few inches out of this. Still a storm we're watching Sunday night into Monday, but it's really close still, but it hasn't made any moves to the northwest. So, at this point, we're going to keep it as a miss. I don't see any reason to change that, even though it is somewhat uncomfortably close to us there on Sunday night into Monday, and no major systems through mid next week. The overall temperature outlook through the 19th of February is mild, so we've got a chance at 50 tomorrow, and probably another one late in the week, potentially mid-50s there on Thursday afternoon. And in between, we've just got a kind of a quiet stretch with an isolated flurry or sprinkle on Tuesday. I think we're going to have a roller coaster here, guys, because Thursday and Friday of next week could be mid-50s, if not warmer. And then next weekend looks like it'll be chilly again. So I think we're going to do a lot of this. But 5 to 2, you can figure out what our overall theme is going to be here. Yeah. Mostly mild with a couple of February reminders in there.
So don't need the fur?
No, I don't think so. I think I am a thin furred person.
All right. Thanks, Keith.
Yeah.